Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn data visualization with Matplotlib. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we have to go with the Matplotlib. So what it does, so here we can see that the documentation and all, and the Python package. So we have to install this. Let's go to the terminal and install this one. This is done. Let's run. I think the Python code I have already pasted over here. I haven't import that lines. Import this. Okay, now it's done. Let's go and run this. And here you can see that sample line plot is there. Okay, how we have done this? Let's have a look. Okay, so here we go with the code. So here we have a sample data that is 1 2 3 4, and x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so on the x-axis you can see that 1 2 3 4 5, and this is a y-axis 2 4 6 8 and 10. Okay, and create a line plot. So xy, add the labels, that is for the x label x-axis, y label, and the title would be sample line plot. Okay, and after that what we have to add the grid, plot dot grid true, and show the plot with the plt dot show. Okay, so here you can see that we have done with the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, so this is the x-axis and this is your y-axis, and the plotting we done with this one. So you can see that first one, if I go 1 and the 2, if I go this is 1, this is for the x-axis, and this is for the y-axis, that is 2. Next one, that is 2 and the 3. Okay, so here we go with the 2. Okay, so this one for the x-axis, that should be a 2 and that should be a 3. Okay, so this is the point that it comes up over here. So according to it, it plot the graph, right? So next we will go with another plotting the graph, that is bar chart. Okay, so let's use the bar chart also. So this is the bar chart. So let me add this code. Okay, this will create the bar chart. Let's have a look. Control C, and let's run this, and here you can see that sample bar chart. So here we go with this one. So here you can see that the categories A B C D. So if I go over here, so you can see that the categories A B C D, and then create a bar chart, categories and the values. So here we have the values, that is up to the 40. Create a bar chart with the plt.bar categories and its values. Add the labels, so x label, y label and the title. So with the help of this you can add the labels and the title. Okay, then how to show it? That show plot, plt.show will help you to show this bar graph. Okay, next one, this, now we have a histogram. Okay, so I'm going to use the histogram like this. So let's copy this, and the pie chart is also there. So let's use this one. So let me control C, and let's add the histogram also at the same time. Okay, let's run it. So here you can see that we are able to get the histogram of the random data. So what we have done, so create a histogram with the help of this hist in the data. Okay, add labels, you can add, then we have a plot show. So here generate the random data with the help of np random 1000. Okay, or you can make it like 10 also. If I just launch like this, you can see that the histogram is there. Okay, next one that we generally use, that is the pie charts. Okay, so let's create the pie chart. Okay, so this is for the pie chart, and let's run this. So here you can see that we are able to get the pie charts. Okay, and how we have done this size label. So if I go here, here you can see that the sample pie chart, this is your title, and here you can see we have the sizes that the 30, 20, 25, and with the A is 30%. So if I go over here, you can see that A is 30% and B is 20, C is 25, D is 15, E is 10. Okay, so on the behalf of it plot the graph, plot the pie chart, right? So plot.py, here you have to send the sizes, labels, and autopacity like percentage 1%. Okay, then add the title. So you can, I have to add the title like this, and if you want to plot that pie chart, then you have to go with the plt dot show. Okay, so this is how we can use the library, that is Matplotlib, to plot the graphs. Okay, any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Have a nice day.